Hi guys, Dr. Sagar Abhichandani here. Today we talk about how to fix the brushing problems with toddlers. Every morning there is an unbeatable challenge that is facing many moms: brushing the teeth of a toddler. I have heard from mothers how they start their day with their toddler with all the tantrums, fights, and yelling to brush their teeth. Here in this post, I will give some tips and a creative technique which has worked wonders in fixing toothbrushing problems with toddlers. Let's check it out. So, one question posed every time I attend an event or a gathering is: look, the dentist is here. How do you treat pediatric dental patients in your practice? It must be a strenuous job. We get tired managing kids at home, which itself is quite a task. My answer remains: dealing with children is not difficult, it's different. Children will always remain children, they are not miniature adults. A child's way of thinking about and viewing the world is quite different from that of an adult. In this context, question yourself: whose mind needs to be reframed first? Definitely not the child's mind. It is our mind which has to reframe. Think about it. We all have been a kid at one point of time. We have seen our siblings grow. Many would have their own kids following their footsteps in being resistant to brushing. Coming back to the early morning wrestling match which takes place in most of the houses between the mom and the toddler. Brush, no mommy. Open your mouth, don't clench it, don't bite the brush. Oh my god, spit and don't eat the paste. Don't run away, you have time to rinse your mouth. No, I'm going to play mom. Doesn't it happen? It does, right? So do you think this is a never-ending wrestling match? No. You can make it fun. Here are a few tips to tackle toothbrushing problems with toddlers. I believe these will make your little angels get comparison with little smiles. Number 1. Communicate in a toddler's language. To communicate successfully with a toddler, it is necessary to understand their intellectual level. Younger children understand the world in the way they can sense it through 5 primary senses. Concepts that cannot be seen, heard, smelled, tasted, or felt, for example, time and health, are very difficult for the toddler to grasp. Hence, use immediate sensations rather than abstract reasoning while discussing concepts like oral hygiene or preventing tooth decay with the toddler and make them understand the value of oral health. For example, you might explain your toddler about the goodness of brushing like this. Brushing removes food particles, which in turn prevents bacteria from forming acids which can cause tooth decay, and so on. Your toddler will have trouble in understanding a chain of reasoning. Rather, your kid is much more likely to understand the following way. Brushing makes your mouth taste good. You will feel the teeth to be clean. These statements rely on things your toddler can taste or feel immediately. You can even mention brushing as tooth washing to your kid. This will make them realize they are going to wash and clean their teeth. Make brushing sessions fun. Here is a technique to make brushing sessions with your toddler more fun. This can really help to fix the brushing problems with the toddlers. Pick 7 different color brushes for 7 days in a week. Record 7 different rhymes in the mobile. Make your toddler to stand in front of the mirror. Take the paste and the colored brush for that day. Play the rhyme for that day. Brush your child's teeth till the music gets over. Ask your toddler to mark brushing finished or any shade with that day's color for that part of the day or night, in the chart. With this technique, your toddler will not only learn brushing but will also learn colors, days of the week, and the rhymes. Interesting, right? You can even customize this chart with your own creative skills and watch your toddler get excited about brushing techniques. Make brushing as a lovable start of the day and not as an order. Happy brushing time with your toddler. Dr. Sagar Abhichandani signing off. See you on the other side. Take care.